thought. There's biology in everything, even when you are feeling spiritual. It means biology occurs everywhere when you thinking, digestion, working time, listening time, everywhere. Okay, when you think also that stage also biology is occur. Okay. Now today we discuss about the fertilization. So fertilization means fusion of the male and female gamete. Okay. So fertilization means the fusion of male and female gamete is called the fertilization. Fusion of male and female gamete. Okay, male and female gamete. For in just the plant, we tells you there are two male gametes are formed. Okay, there are two male gametes are formed in the angiospermic plant or flowering plants, and one egg cell formed in the embryo cell. Okay, so in flowering plants a special type of fertilization is occur. This special type of fertilization is called the double fertilization. Okay, it is a very important question. Double fertilization. Okay, so what is the meaning of the double fertilization? Okay, what is the meaning of the double fertilization? So there are two type of fusion occur in the angiospermic plant or flowering plant. One is syngamy and another is a triple fusion. So it is called the double fertilization. Okay, so there are two type of fusion. There are two type of fusion. Okay, there are two type of fusion occur in angiospermic plant. Occur in angiospermic plant. Angiospermic plant means the flowering plant. Angiospermic plant. Okay, one is syngamy. One is syngamy, and another is triple fusion. Triple fusion. So that type of fusion is known as double fertilization. This double fertilization was first discovered by the Navaschin. Okay, this double fertilization was first discovered by the Navaschin. Okay, understand here? Means in this type of fusion, there are two type of fusion is occur. First is a syngamy and second is a triple fusion. These are the very important events which is occur in the double fertilization. So now we see this type of fertilization. Okay, we know that during the development of the microspore of pollen grains, there are two male gametes are formed. Okay, look at this place. There are two male gametes are formed. I already explained to you yesterday. These are the two male gametes. Okay, and two male gametes and one egg cell. This place we draw. This is the egg cell. Okay, this place polar nuclei. This is the polar nuclei. Okay, so very carefully observe here. When one male gamete, okay, one male gamete. When one male gamete, okay, one male gamete. This is the one male gamete is fertilized with the egg cell. Okay, when one male gamete is fertilized with the egg cell, then form zygote. Or this type of fusion is known as the syngamy. Okay, and this type of fusion is called the syngamy. This is called the syngamy. One male gamete is fertilized. Nature of the gamete is that this is a haploid number of chromosome. This have also haploid, or the zygote is the diploid. Okay, two set of number chromosome. And when other male gamete, here is a two male gamete, other male gamete, again this male gamete. When other male gamete fertilized with the polar nuclei or secondary nucleus, polar nuclei. Okay, so this place polar nuclei is located in the center of the embryo sac, or this nature of the polar nuclei is the diploid, means two set of chromosome, or this place two set of chromosome, or this is a haploid, or after the fertilization this place form endosperm, this place form endosperm, or the type of fusion is known as the type of fusion is called the triple fusion. Triple fusion. Okay, type of fusion is known as the triple fusion. So zygote differentiate into after the cell differentiation. After the cell differentiation, zygote form embryo or endosperm. This is the endosperm. Endosperm provide nutrition to the developing embryo. Okay, clear here? So this is the double fertilizer.